So let me share with you the student side of Google Classroom discussion. Now, I did use Google Classroom last year with my fifth graders, but we didn't happen to have just or use it a lot for classroom discussion. It was mainly just for me to give assignments and receive assignments through there. But I did find it was a great tool for students to help each other out and collaborate. And what I mean by that is they weren't necessarily collaborating for my class specifically because I was the only teacher using Google Classroom, but they were able to message one another or just put a post, or maybe sometimes I would get a contact from a parent that would contact me and I would just simply put a post up. For example, you see here on October 18th, I put, "Hey guys, what is the math homework for today? I'm just curious. Please reply. Thank you." And then I had students comment here, put 535353 and then TTM. Thank you very much. And that was just a general statement just to go ahead and help one other student out. Also, you see here, students, we had this particular student here ask, the math homework is 5-3, yeah, and also the daily teaks if you didn't finish. So they're able to collaborate with one another. Now, the advantage here is for many of you, you can go ahead and create a discussion here. It doesn't necessarily have to be an assignment, but you can go ahead and create a question here. And let's say that I am an ELA teacher and we're going through a novel and you just want to get some feedback to see if students are really picking up the concepts that you're teaching. One of the questions could be, maybe you're going over a novel and you can write a question stating what are the similarities between the protagonist and antagonist. So I'll just leave it at that. For due date, I don't necessarily have to put a due date, but what I can do is I can just say, well, this discussion will end tomorrow. I don't necessarily have to put a due date on that. My question, though, I will go ahead and create a topic, and I will go ahead and put literature. And that'll be it. And then here you have some options here. You can either make this multiple choice or a short answer, but short answer is great. And you can allow the students to reply to one another, and students can edit their answers if you want them to. So you would just hit that right there. Now, also, you will be able to moderate and see what it is that they're discussing, because as their discussions are being submitted, you will be getting alerts. So you can go ahead and look, peek, see what they're talking about, and you can interject and go ahead and make any corrections necessary. Now, I have included some rubrics that are really good for you to share with your class as well, should you want to go ahead and have class discussions. And you'll see that after this video portion on the newsletter itself. So again, if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you out and see how you can go ahead and enhance your lessons through the use of Google Classroom.